everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also harbackelectronics.com. It's the day before Thanksgiving. I'm going to get this amp done, and then I'll be back on Tuesday fixing amps, okay? So, I'm going to change the SO239s, connect the grid connections right to the chassis, change the gas discharge tubes, tighten the nuts, tighten all the hardware that's loose all over. Do the 10 meter mod. Get my connectors from Max Gain Systems, great people there. I'm gonna test this tube he sent. If it needs a tube, I'll get in a new Penta tube, great people over there. So I'll do everything else that it needs, and I'll touch base after. Also clean the rotary switches, deoxy gold, relays, deoxy gold, and that's about it for now. So stay tuned, see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al80b. Customer wants to see it working on 10 meters. The settings. Radio set to 100 watts. Requires more drive here. Hello, hello, hello. 1 kW slug. Bird meters on PEP with a genuine Bird PEP kit going into a Bird dummy load. Red key the amp. Audio hello. Audio hello. Hello, hello. Kilowatt, 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 kilowatt. Hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Reflect. And then ALC, see that's working. Okay. That's about it. Okay, so I'll shut it off. We'll let it cool off for a second, shut it off, unplug it, make sure there's no high voltage, and I'll show you the inside. See you guys soon. Stay tuned. Here's the inside. The old SO239s, the old gas discharge tubes. So these nuts were really loose underneath the socket. I took the socket out. One of the standoffs was actually wobbling around. So tighten those. New gas discharge tubes in, put these tabs in, soldered them to the connections on the socket. There are 3 grid pins connected to the one grid in the tube, so all 3 are now connected directly to the chassis. There's one on the other side too. A lot of this other hardware was loose. The output network. Brand new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Clean the TR/bias relay with deoxy gold. Clean the soft start relay with deoxy gold. This connector was popped out, so I put it back in. Clean the input rotary switch with deoxy gold. Band switch with deoxy gold. Check the bias transistor over here. That was good. Check the fuses, always check the fuses to make sure they're right type, right size. And fix some solder joints and stuff. So this is getting a brand new Penta tube because it had a brown base tube in it. It failed the high pot, so get a brand new Penta. Customer said he wants to go with the Amprex version. I always leave it up to them. So I say, you know, no pressure, never pressure anyone. And they get it for the dealer price. I make nothing. I'll say it again. I make nothing. You buy a tube from Penta, I don't get anything out of it. I could, I'm a dealer, but I refer people to them, I'm not making anything. So you're actually getting the best price possible. You're getting the, if you go right to their site, they told me it's okay to say this, if you go right to their site, you get a better price than buying it from anyone else, like any other, like, seller, like, I'm not going to name names, but people online that sell radios and stuff, you know, like commercial entities. But you know, you send an amp in, you get it for what they pay for it. You know, so you know, someone says use a code, whatever, you're still getting a better price, but I only extend that offer to my customers. I make nothing, zero, zip. They take care of my customers, they keep me stocked up on tubes, and that's all I can ask for. I make enough money. I do all sorts of stuff to make money. I don't need to make money off people with tubes. So, the more tubes they sell, the more money Penta will make, and the longer they'll be selling tubes, right? And they'll mean more tubes being made over there at their factory, so that they use to make tubes. Okay, so If you need amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. Websites are amprepairguy.com, also harbackelectronics.com. So this is the last amp I have here. I have one waiting on a payment, and then this, and I have more on the way. So I will be back to work on Tuesday. So I wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, happy and safe Thanksgiving, and enjoy your food, enjoy your time with your families, and I will try to do the same, and I'll see you guys soon. Lots more to come. So stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. 73.